A for ant. B for baby. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mango. N for null. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. बाय बाय बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब